At GISB, we are more than just educators. We are trusted industry experts, mentors, and passionate sports management advocates. Students receive unparalleled guidance, mentorship, and a transformative learning as a result of our wealth of experience and dedication.
GISB today is a frontrunner, setting new benchmarks. It stands for its innovative pedagogy, its industry relevant, internationally certified, and academically rigorous programs, leading to a comprehensive development of future managers and leaders.
At GISB, our primary focus is on the holistic development of the students. We strongly believe in enabling our students to develop not just academically but also as strong individual personalities. We take a lot of pride in sending out well-seasoned professionals into the industry.
Our international partnerships ensure that GISB students can get access to world-class sports management education and practices without having to leave India. Through our partnership with the University of Massachusetts Amherst, the world's #1 sports management institute, the students gain access to UMass professors who regularly travel to India to deliver lectures across several sports management topics.
The Global Institute of Sports Business provides a platform to aspiring sports management professionals for enhancing their knowledge, build their network, and gain relevant experience in order to be employable in the sports industry. Our alumni are now in prominent positions across a variety of sports organizations, and we are delighted to have played a role in their success.
It is our privilege to guide and inspire the next generation of sports managers, helping them unlock their potential and make a positive impact in the sports industry. Transform your passion into your profession and join the sports management revolution today.